want more? Show me more. Good girl. What do you tell her? She did it, Seth. Did you see her? Sissy, do you want more? No, let her do it. Let her do it. Sissy, do you want more? Wait, let her do it. Do you want more? Elbel, more. Good job! Seth, are you so excited that your sissy says more in sign language? Tell the camera. Sissy, do you want more? No, let her do it. Let her do it. Good job. Sissy, wait, let her do it, Seth. Do you want more? Do more. Do more. Elbel. She's like, I still have more. Do more. Good job. Okay, say bye, camera.